What's up YouTube, back again with another video, and we're just going to talk about this light and some work we did with it on Friday last week. It's the VGIM VL196 RGB LED lighting portable light system. Rechargeable, obviously, of course. I will just quickly tell you the specs. We've got operating voltage, I should say, of 7.4 volts. Illumination angle of 120 degrees. The colour range goes from 2500 to 9000 Kelvin. Battery capacity 300 milliamps. Type C USB charger as well. Okay, now in the box you get a honeycomb grid, as you can see here. Also a diffuser and USB cable. Reason for purchasing this light, I'd seen a few of them knocking around on YouTube and on Amazon. The one I was going to purchase was around the £100 mark. This one popped up £50, £58 I think it was, so it was a lot cheaper than the other ones. The reviews were coming out pretty good, so I went ahead and purchased it, and wow, what a light. Definitely another win. Nice and bright. It's got loads of effects built in, like, you know, police cars. You can simulate lighting, candles, all sorts of things. The full spec will be listed in with this video. Just check either side as the video's playing. And I just want to show you some of the pictures we achieved using just this light and my DIY. Check out the link above as well. I'll leave a link to how I made this, but basically it's a daylight running portable studio light LED with Bowen's mount that we made for cheap anyway. Link for all these, link for this video will be in the description as well. But as you can see, these videos, these pictures are popping up on this side or that side. We did these for a restaurant stroke takeaway on Friday, utilising these two lights, and that was it basically. And sorry, I'm telling a lie, we also used a softbox as well, and for less than £100 worth of lighting we achieved pictures like this. Some people may not like them, but the company we work for were over the moon with what we produced for them, and obviously it was a paid shoot, so for minimum budget run and gun, my DIY light I just love. I've made two of these so far, but this thing here was a definite win. As you can see in some of these pictures, we were using this as sort of a neon neon lighting, to give some more dynamic range to the pictures, as in different colouring. See the pictures here. This was utilised as an effects light mainly, but this picture here we've got with the burger in the just by itself with a dark background was lit using this light as well. But yeah, it's a definite win. Less than £60. My total lighting kit for that day was less than £100. Like I said, it was a paid job. Anyone on a budget or wanting to try a bit of food photography, etc., you cannot go wrong with these things I am showing you here. This was so simple to make as well. Again, really bright. More than happy with the results from this. And for this LED RGB effects light I've got here, this panel has been great as well. I'll just show you it quickly with the honeycomb grid on, as you can see there, to give you more of a direct direction to your lighting. And then we've got the diffuser as well. But this light is a definite win. Okay, thanks for watching. Another quick video. Again, I'm only here to try and help people the best I can. Some people might find these videos interesting, some people might find them annoying. Whichever is the case, don't forget, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!